Cubicost is an integrated BIM solution for construction cost. Cubicost BIM Suite, comprised of 4 individual BIM-based software products, virtually covers all general requirements in construction cost business. 3 quantity takeoff software products, including Cubicost TAS for architecture and structure, Cubicost TRB for rebar, and Cubicost TME for mechanical and electrical, help you deal with all kinds of calculations with BIM technology. Collaborative cost estimation software, Cubicost TBQ, helps you easily handle all tendering stages. BIM models and related data can be easily transferred among 4 products, bringing you the most professional, efficient, and accurate BIM cost estimation experience. As a BIM solution for construction cost different from traditional methods, Cubicost enables data and models to be shared among other popular software from upstream to downstream in the industry. Embrace BIM application era with Cubicost.